how to turn on or turn off auto download MMS in text message on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on message app and click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on message settings. Now in message settings, scroll down to and click on advanced. After click on advanced, here showing you auto download MMS. If you want to turn off auto download MMS, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see auto download MMS is turned off. If you want to turn on auto download MMS, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see auto download MMS is turned on. You will turn on or turn off auto download MMS from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto download MMS in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.